Hey everybody, welcome back to another IT video. In this one we're going to be taking a look at how to partition or format a hard drive in Windows 10, and we're going to be using a program called MiniTool Partition Wizard. So let's get started. First things first, go over to the link in the description and it'll take you over here and click this big blue download button. I already did that, so once you do that, just follow the install instructions. There is a checkbox for adware, so make sure you uncheck that checkbox so you don't install that. I hate when they do that, but you got to do what you got to do. So once you get the program opened up, it's going to look like this. And my goal today is to take this disk 3 and split it into two partitions, one for files and one for programs. First thing you're going to do is select the, well, first things first, you want to identify the disks. For me, this is my boot drive, this is my backup drive, and this is my file drive. So I'm going to leave the system reserved partition there, and I'm just going to be messing with the unallocated space here. So we're going to click on this, and we're going to come up here to partition, click on that, and create. This will give us the option for our partition label. The first one I'm going to do is my storage, so I'm going to type out storage. It'll be a primary and drive letter. Let's see, I'm going to go E, and that all looks good. And for here, I'm just going to slide this down. I want to split this in half, so I'm going to go roughly 465. That looks about good. So then I'm going to click OK, and now I've created the first partition, storage, and I need one more called programs. So what I'm going to do over here is click on this unallocated space, do the same thing, come up here, partition, create. This one is going to be programs, and I'll just default that to F, and we're going to use up the rest of the space there. Click OK. So now we have both of these partitions created here. And all you got to do is click the apply button. I'm not going to do that because I already did. And once you do that, you can come over here to your file manager and you'll see I have two partitions. This is on the same drive. Both are 465 gigabytes. And what this allows me to do is I can have files in here and then programs that I don't want to install on my SSD. Mostly games, can just be installed over here, and it's just nice keeping them separate. So because sometimes Windows will create some folders and hidden files in your program files folder, so I like to just create a whole separate partition so all that stays together and out of my sight. So if this video helped you out at all, leave this video a thumbs up, and if you're interested in any other tutorials or PC related videos, go ahead and subscribe. Take it easy.